Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guys, we just got our hands on the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, but this is also the combo, as you can see, and we'll go over that in more details. Now, we picked this up directly from the DJI website. I don't know that this is available anywhere else. But this is the upgraded package versus the 7 that just launched. This includes the multifunction module that actually tracks you, plus it has a built-in LED light. And as you can see, this package also includes the new mic mini and a charging dock and a couple of other accessories. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is a super quick unboxing. I'll show you what's included, where they're going to take most of the time and take a close look at everything. And I'll even provide some helpful specs. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started? Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. So this is what we're covering in this video. We're going to do a very quick unboxing. We're not going to bore you with the cardboard and the plastic. Then we're going to show you what's included. We'll also go over a detailed close look, and that's where we'll spend most of the time. At the end, I'll leave you with some helpful specs. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. There you go. So here is our 7P stuff, and this is our combo stuff that you get when you buy the combo. And really, this is just because if you want the DJI Mini mic, then that's what you're getting. So here is the upgraded gimbal. This is the 7P. This has more features than the 7. You get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. You get the multifunction adapter we'll talk more about later on. Really cool, I'll tell you. They really upgraded this. You also get the phone holder on this is upgraded, so it's got some really nice cushion, but it also holds the phone in really well. And it has some connectors that you're not going to get on the 7. We'll show you that. It even has connectors on the side. And we'll show you that. This cable here is really made to connect your adapter, which is this, to your phone. And obviously you get a little guide, little manual. And by the way, you do get a soft carry case, so that's nice. It's not bad actually at all. It'll fit all of the stuff in there. And then this is the combo stuff. So this is the DJI mic mini with the charging adapter. So this adapter basically connects to USB Type-C. And this is amazing, this little mic. They really stepped up their game with the mic mini. We'll show you more about the mic mini. You get your windscreens. You get a charging cable. You get a little manual. And you get a real soft carry case that actually has some places in here you can put everything. So it's actually nicer than that. But that is everything that you get. Let's take a close look now at the gimbal. This is really what it's all about. I'm going to start off with one of the features I like. They actually include a tripod on the bottom. I want you to see they've got little areas here where you can take your fingernails or your fingers to pull these down. So it pulls down, opens up, all three. And before I put this down, I do want to show you that you've got rubber on the bottom of all of the corners. So it shouldn't scratch anything, but we take this, put it down, and we'll put some phone weight on this a little later as well. Now, this closes really easy, by the way. So before I close it, I want to show you, if you have large hands, you might want to leave this open and use this as an extension. So pretty good idea. To close it, just go like that. Take your hand, and it's closed. Another feature they added to this gimbal is a selfie stick or an extension rod. All you do is grab here and pull up. And this thing goes out pretty darn far. That's about it, but that's pretty nice to have. Take your hand, close it back up. I like that. Now, if you're familiar with the Osmo Mobile 6, that one you had to twist and then open. They made this one a lot easier to open. So all you do is lift this up and you're open. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down because I want to demo a couple of other things. So I want you to see, first of all, the tip here where the phone adapter goes. So that's actually got connectors to transfer power. And if you look at the actual adapter, this actually has the connectors as well. This also has connectors on this side for the multifunction adapter. It also has some really nice cushion, but it's also made to hold the phone in place even better. So you take this, and it's magnetic. That's going to go on really, really easy. And then we take this adapter, which, by the way, let me take a moment and go over it with you. So in the back here, you've got the charging port, but this also connects the cable to your phone. You've got a button that will actually, as you can see, release this from the phone adapter. And then those are the connectors to transfer the power. You've got a light, and you've got the sensor. You've got the mic 1 and mic 2, so it'll tell you that it's connected to mic 1 and mic 2. The other side, you've got a power button, and you've got a light button. Pretty much it. Now this will connect pretty quickly, so just by magnet, it'll go right in and connect. You can see that. And now this is off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the power button down and let it turn on. And you can see it's ready to rock and roll. You've got a screen here also, which is pretty darn cool. But let me go ahead and get a phone and put it on so you can see what that looks like. So you see, we've got our phone connected, and this is so smooth. I mean, really. Now there are different modes, so keep that in mind. This also needs to be charged. And yes, that is a BlackBerry. We had to have fun with you, you know. We love old technology. So let me open this up and take this out. And take a regular phone. So from what I see here, you just slide this into one of the corners, grab the phone mount, and it will, you know, again, depending on the phone, it'll do a pretty good job because it's really holding it in place. You know, these rubber pieces seem to do a good job holding it in place. It's not bad at all. Now again, you're going to take the USB Type-C cable they gave you, you're going to plug it into here, you're going to plug it into your phone, and then you're going to be ready to rock and roll with recording the audio if you're going to be using the DJI Mic Mini that comes with the combo. Now, just so you'll know, this is already paired to the multifunction adapter. So as soon as you turn this on and you turn this on, they'll turn solid green and you're ready to go. This has a magnet that you can use, and it also has a clip. You can see here if you want to clip it on your shirt. This is also a cold shoe mount. So if you slide it into a cold shoe, it'll work. I didn't know that. I mean, DJI really thinks of everything. So this clip can be a cold shoe mount. But this also comes in white, by the way. So you can order this combo in black or white. I also want to mention that this gimbal is a phone charger as well. So you can actually charge the gimbal this way, but if you use the included cable and connect it here and connect it to the bottom of the phone, it'll actually charge your phone if you need it to, which is nice. Or if you wanted to charge the DJI Mini, you know, here's your charging dock. Just take your Mini and put it on top. So I like that. But the weight distribution is really nice. Again, you know, you do have your selfie stick option, which is nice. So I like that. And the tripod seems to do a pretty good job just holding this all together. So here are some helpful specs. And afterwards, I'll have the combo package and what it includes so you can actually see an image. Now, I'm not going to go over all of this, but I will mention that the combo is $208. You can get it with a black or white mic. Now, if you just want a really good gimbal, you can pick up the Osmo Mobile 7, not the 7P, but the 7, and that's $89. That's really not bad. Another thing to point out is the battery life on this gimbal here is 10 hours. And the battery that they have in here is a lithium polymer battery with 3,350 milliamp. That's going to be really helpful if you're running around and you need to charge your phone. So I'll leave this open. Hit pause if you want to review this, and we'll bring up the combo package now so you can see what that includes. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope our video helped you in some way. And if it did, do me a big favor and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. And hey, if you could share our video with your friends and your family, that would be awesome. I'm going to put my social media channels right up top. If you want to follow us on social media, go right ahead and send us a message. Let us know that you did. And hey, check out our new Tesla channel. When you get a chance, just look us up at My Tesla Journey 1. And subscribe if you can. I'm going to put a video here on the right side of the screen where my finger is. If you have time, check that out. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at Tech Made Easy, all you got to do is click this round Tech Made Easy logo right there, and you'll be able to subscribe on the spot and join the family. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.